Hello guys, so I welcome to all of you our Vision India channel 6 to 12. So I will discuss KVS class 4 English chapter number Neha's alarm clock. Ring ring ring. Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and cover her ear with a pillow snuggle under the warm blanket. But she has to get up. She muttered to herself, "This alarm clock always ring at 6 and pull me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget drop something. Some falls. Neha smiled. Oh, my clock is fallen. How happy I'm tomorrow get late. Next day, there is no alarm, so Neha sleep chirpy bird, which come to the window. She every morning find Neha still sleep. Wake up, dear, wake up fast. Neha get up with a start. Oh no! If it no the alarm clock, this bird, why don't they leave me alone? Even this wish of Neha's come to the next morning. There is no alarm clock or no bird either, but there is someone else who does not want here to school. The school bus. Can you go? Who it is? The big bright sun. While Neha's room was smile. Oh, my eyes! Now it is sun waking me up. Why can he let me by? Even wish to Neha come to next day. Sun is the cloud, so Neha's stone. This is mother's voice. Neha's mother's voice. Wake up, sleepyhead. Wake up, sleepyhead. You will miss the school bus. Oh, why does mother have to wake up? Mother have wake up me up. There is no except now. Neha, get up and get ready. Can you? What happened? The next day, Neha's wake up with start there, which say it is 6 o'clock. Call out to hear mother. Ma, who woke me today? Mother smiled. Who? You of cousin. But I was sleeping. How cold it? How could I now tell me? Why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? Neha feel hungry. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? Because I felt sleepy. There is a clock inside you which tell you when to sleep and when to wake up. Oh, I better to rest now. I don't want miss the school bus. Mother, really too. Today Sunday. Oh, new word. Sniggle, mutter, window sill, really. Subscribe to our amazing channel Vision India 6 to 12. Thank you for watching this video.